Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Well, today I'm going to be cooking a cauliflower cheese, a very delicious cauliflower cheese to have as a side dish, or you can have it with your main meal on a Sunday or any day that you want it really. So anyway, let's carry on. These are the ingredients that we're going to be using. Of course, this beautiful fresh cauliflower. We're going to be having some salt and pepper, obviously, for some seasoning, some butter, cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, Dijon mustard and whole milk. Stay tuned and you won't miss anything. Now cut off the little florets from a whole cauliflower, and the big ones you cut the stalks off like this and then cut them again so they go into quarters like this. We want to cut them sort of about an equal size because we're going to put these into a pan of boiling water, and we want to cook them till they're just a bit tender really, not overcooked, about 5 minutes, and that should do the job. Meanwhile, we can grate some of our cheddar cheese, then we can make our roux. We want about 2 ounces of butter and a tablespoonful of flour. Mix this all together and cook it out for a few minutes, then slowly add some whole milk and get it up to a nice creamy consistency. It will gradually thicken, and it will thicken again when we put the cheese in. Now we need to season this with some salt and some pepper. In that goes. Mix this in. Then we can add a little sneaky teaspoon of Dijon mustard, which adds so much flavour. Then for the delicious cheese, in that goes. And you will notice as you mix this, it will thicken up quite nicely. Keeping it on the heat all of the time until you get this nice thick sauce. Then we can arrange this on the dish, get the appropriate dish. A little layer of the sauce on the bottom, followed by your cauliflower. There we go, just tidy it up a little bit, and then we can pour the sauce, the remaining sauce, over the top, and it will gradually trickle through. Of course, now we've done this, we can add the topping of Parmesan cheese. This is a nice little extra, a bit more powerful than the cheddar, I think. Then pop this into the oven for about 20 minutes, gas mark 5, until it's nice and golden brown on the top. So after 20 minutes, this is what we've got. Doesn't that look good? So tasty. Got that lovely crust on the top. Now for a taste test. Here we go. Don't burn yourself. Well, it sure is hot, but it really is tasty. That Parmesan cheese over the top just gives it that little bit of an edge, and that Dijon mustard takes it to the next level, as us chefs might say. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye.